Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Michaela.Poppins and you know what it is. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So this is actually my first time trying this hairstyle. And this is just going to be a swoop over, like tight ponytail look. And so right now I'm just parting my front part, and this is going to be my swoop. So I'm just going around making sure I have all the hair pulled back, all the ones that I'm not going to use. And make sure that when you're brushing down your little swoop, make sure to get it as smooth as possible because you don't want a lot of, hair sticking up. So that's when I went in with my Got To Be glue spray and just to spray it down so it can lay down more flat. I'm fixing to do my little swoop, but for some reason I don't know why this didn't want to like swoop all the way down, so it kind of just tried to slip up. And I also had this little baby hair that kept just sticking up, so I had to get some more gel to glue it down. I'm fixing to take some more Got To Be glue spray and spray down this baby hair for the last time to see if it finally lays down so I can make my little swoop. Or I'll just mess up my swoop right quick and have to fix it. Okay, got my swoop fixed. And it looks like it's laying down pretty good. So I'm just going to go through and spray some more Got To Be glued. Because I want it to, stay like that all day. And just try to smooth it out even more. I'm going to grab my olive oil eco gel. And I'm just going to brush it down where my parts is. Just add extra gel so it can just lay down and just hold more. After I slick back my hair, now I'm just gonna separate my hair from my baby hair and the part that I want slicked back. After I separated my baby hairs, now I'm going to grab some more Got To Be glue spray and spray down my hair that I want slicked back into the ponytail. I was just looking at my ponytail, checking to see if I liked it, and I didn't really like the swoop, so I'm going to grab some more Got To Be glue spray and spray it down and see if I can recreate the swoop again. I grabbed a hair bow, so now I'm just gonna put my hair up into a ponytail. After I put my hair in a ponytail, I still noticed that my little swoop was still not looking how I wanted it to, so I just grabbed my pink brush and went back over it just to smooth it out and clean it up a little bit. Oh, I also had to grab my beauty blender too because I was sweating. So right now I'm just looking, touching on my face, and grabbing some more Got To Be glue spray, putting that over my swoop again because I'm still not satisfied by the way it looks. So now I'm fixing to grab my Reckin Hardware 16 gel. And I use this gel for my edges because it is almost like glue, but like the Got To Be Glued styling gel, this one doesn't dry as fast. And so it's easier for me to use it because it's still wet and it dries kind of slower compared to other good gels, especially the ones that's stickier like glue. Using my Reckin gel, I'm going to go ahead and lay these baby hairs down. I, however, don't do them in a certain way because I'm still learning and practicing how to do baby hairs. So I kind of just do whatever I think that looks good. I'm going to go ahead and finish the other side by gelling the other baby hairs down. Y'all, this is it. This is my first time trying a slick back ponytail with a swoop on natural curly hair. I'm going to have more videos like this, so if y'all want to, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Peace.